Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west on Marley Boulevard towards Faith de Aguila Path in Cooreville Gardens, Kingston 20, St. Andrew Parish. On the left is Drummond Link. Turning off Marley Boulevard onto Faith de Aguila Path. On the left is Lois Path. Also here on the left is Cooreville Gardens Basic School. The community of Cooreville Gardens, located off Washington Boulevard, was named for David Coore, Jamaica's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance in the 1970s. Also, the streets of Cooreville Gardens are named after famous Jamaican artists in recognition of their contribution in music and the theatre, and Faith de Aguila Path is named after Faith de Aguila. A popular song by Faith de Aguila is Santa Ketch in a Mango Tree. To see a list of songs by Faith de Aguila, please check the video description. We are turning back towards Marley Boulevard. Again, on the right is Cooreville Gardens Basic School. Also here, on the right is Lois Path. We are back at Marley Boulevard, and straight ahead is Drummond Link. Turning off Faith de Aguila Path onto Marley Boulevard. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.